This is basically the powers, privileges and immunities of Parliament and its members and state legislature and its members. Not many questions have been asked so far on this particular topic, but as you know, UPSC is unpredictable, can ask anything. Now this topic, in my opinion, has become a little bit important in the present scenario when we look at the happenings in the Parliament, particularly that, session after session, because of some reason or the other, the proceedings are not allowed to be carried out, and it is basically disrupting the normal functioning of the Parliament. What they say inside the Parliament is again a matter of privilege. It is their privilege. Articles which deal with this is 105 and 194. 105 talks about the powers, privileges, etc. of Houses of Parliament and of the members and committees thereof. It's not only restricted to the Parliament, but also the members. That means what? It is also talking about the individual privileges, individual immunities, and also the collective one, houses, when we talk of houses. And also there are parliamentary committees. Now, vis-a-vis the fundamental rights. So, 105 is an independent right and is not subject to restrictions under either 19(1)(a) or 19(2), right? So, freedom of speech under 105 is different. A question may be asked, how this is different?